Good afternoon to all. Welcome to the Education Institute. We will discuss today rest of the questions of lecture 8 of weekly current affairs. Right? We have already completed question number 1 to 50. Now we will discuss from question number 51 to 100. Okay, then lecture 8 will be complete. So come to the questions. We will start from question number 51 because we have already completed question 1 to 50. Right? Come. What is the question number 51? Which Indian city has been ranked among the top 3 in Asia? Which Indian city has been ranked among the top 3 in Asia in the recently released Global Urban Mobility Innovation Index? Name of the index is Global Urban Mobility Innovation Index 2025. So the correct answer will be Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the correct answer. Which country formally joined the International Solar Alliance ISA on 24 to 30 November 2025. Which country has been joined in ISA, International Solar Alliance, and that was the initiative of India and France and mainly of India. So the correct answer is Chile. Chile is the South American country. Okay, Chile is the South American country, and I think Tropic of Capricorn is passing through the Chile country. Brazil, Chile, Paraguay. Right? NHAI announced the adoption of digital twin corridor technology for which project in 2025? The correct answer is Pune-Bengaluru Greenfield Highway. Pune-Bengaluru Greenfield Highway. Next question. In which sector is India launching its first national AI registry under the AI for Health mission in 2025? Health mission. Your option is diabetes, cancer, mental health, maternal health. The correct answer is cancer. The correct answer is cancer. Which country supported India's proposal to host the UN Peacekeeping Tech Hub from this duration? Right? India's proposal to host the UN Peacekeeping Tech Hub. Right? The correct answer, what is the correct answer? Correct answer is France. France is the correct answer. Question number 56. PCCI recently signed a 5-year high-performance analytics agreement with which company for 25 to 30? Option is IBM, Google, Infosys and NVIDIA. Correct answer is Infosys. In which sector did India launch the National Green Skills Framework for the first time during this period? In which sector did India launch the National Green Skills Framework for the first time during 24 to 30th November 2025? The correct answer is green hydrogen. Correct answer is green hydrogen. According to NCRB's extended as the National Crime Record Bureau, NCRB's Crime in India Report 2025. Which category saw the maximum reduction in crime? Maximum reduction in crime in property crimes. Cyber crime is increasing day by day. Women crimes are also increasing. Which organization approved the first gene-edited rice variety in India as per data published on 24 this date? Right? The correct answer is ICAR. Indian Council of Agriculture and Research. Right? Which state in India scored the highest in the cyber literacy index as per the Cyber Suraksha Bharat 2025 report? Right? The correct answer is Kerala. Correct answer is Kerala. Which organization recently released the Asia Pacific Digital Trade Facilitation Report 2025? The correct answer is UNESCAP. UNESCAP. With which country did India sign the Blue Economy Maritime Corridor MOU on 24 to 30 November 2025? Correct answer is Australia. India and Australia has signed a MOU regarding Blue Economy Maritime Corridor. Which state launched AI-based forest fire early warning grid in 2025? Uttarakhand. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Right? RBI announced to replace payment fraud reporting with which model in 2025? I think we have already discussed this. Digital Payment Intelligence Layer, DPIL. Digital Payment Intelligence Layer, the correct answer. Question number 65. With which country did India agree to share hypersonic wind tunnel technology on this date? Hypersonic wind tunnel technology. Correct answer is France. India and France agree in share hypersonic wind tunnel technology. Question number 66. With which Indian scientist received the Global Materials Innovation Award in 2025? Your option is Niharika Singh, Anirudh Sharma, Manish Kumar, Rupa Nair. So correct answer is Niharika Singh. Correct answer is Niharika Singh. According to the WF report, World Economic Forum report 2025, which sector has been declared as the fastest growing frontier employment sector in India? Quantum tech, green hydrogen, agri-tech, AI, robotics and autonomous systems. What will be the correct answer? Agri-tech, AI. Agri-tech means agriculture, technology, AI. Which new service did India declare as essential digital public utility during this period? Which new service? DigiLocker. DigiLocker, essential digital public utility. What is India's rank in the UNHCR's new refugee preparedness index 2025? 12. Rank of India is 12 in UNHCR's new refugee preparedness index 2025. Which state launched the climate resilient paddy mission in 2025? Correct answer is West Bengal. Correct answer is West Bengal. What was India's rank in the recently released Asia Electric Mobility Readiness Index 2025? The correct answer is, the position is 4th. India's rank is 4th. Which new bacteria has been included in the global antimicrobial resistance priority pathogen list by WHO in 2025? Right? The correct answer is Shigella XDR. Shigella XDR. India launched the Integrated National River Health Dashboard in 2025 under which ministry? Ministry of Water, Ministry of Jal Shakti. According to the Economic Inclusion Report released in November 2025, which state in India became the top performer in fiscal empowerment of women? Right? Fiscal empowerment of women. The correct answer is Kerala. Correct answer is Kerala. According to the Space Tech Innovation Index 2025, which Indian company has been included in the top 10? Pixel. Correct answer is Pixel. Recently, to which country did India provide AI-based avalanche prediction system for hilly areas? Bhutan. Correct answer is Bhutan. Who was given the chairmanship of the National Education Policy Evaluation Committee from this date? Who was the chairman? Dr. Anil? No, Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe. Correct answer is Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe. DRDO tested an upgraded version of which anti-drone system on 27 November 2025? Right? The correct answer is Divya Drishti. Correct answer is Divya Drishti. Divya Drishti. Which Indian port received Global Smart Port Certification in 2025? Visakhapatnam got this. Visakhapatnam got this certificate. For which area did India launch the National Geo AI Mission on 24 to 30 November 2025? Right? The correct answer is town planning. Correct answer is town planning. According to UNDP's Human Capital Transition Report 2025, India is included in which category? India is included in which category? Rapid transformer. Rapid transformer. Recently, with which country did India organize Quad Cyber Shield exercise? Quad. I think all of the above, because the member of Quad is Japan, America, Australia and India. So the correct answer will be all of the above. Quad Cyber Shield Exercise 2025, which country is included in this? Which city in India received the South Asia Climate Resilience City Award 2025 from 24 to 30 November 2025? Right? I think correct answer is Surat. South Asia Climate Resilience City Award 2025 given to Surat. Which new initiative was launched by the Ministry of Power in 2025? What was the new initiative? So the new initiative is Green Peak Hour Management Scheme. Correct answer is C. Green Peak Hour Management Scheme. Artificial Intelligence Ethics Charter 2025 was released by which organization? Artificial Intelligence Ethics Charter, right? Released by ITV plus UNESCO jointly. ITV plus UNESCO jointly. Which state launched Digital Millet Marketplace in 2025? The correct answer is Karnataka. Correct answer is Karnataka. With which company did India sign an MOU to develop urban flood AI prediction network? IBM. Right? Correct answer is IBM. According to the Climate Risk Assessment Report released on date 24 to 30 November 2025, which is the highest risk state in India? Right? Highest risk state in India, where there was the effect of Brahmaputra region. Right? The correct answer is Assam. Correct answer is Assam. From which board will the Indigenous Autonomous Surface Vessel (ASV) for the Indian Navy be deployed for the first time in operational test in 2025? The correct answer is INS Sabar. INS Sabar. Which organization released the Global Food Price Stability Outlook 2025? FAO. Correct answer is Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. Which city in India achieved the status of National Deep Tech Hub during 2025? Hyderabad got this award, National Deep Tech Hub, right? Which Indian player won India's 50th medal in the Asian Para Games 2025 on 24 to 30 November 2025, right? Correct answer is Rupali Singh. The correct answer is Rupali Singh. Which ministry launched the National Biosecurity Preparedness Grid in 2025? Tell the name of the ministry. Which one is Ministry of Health? Ministry of Health has been launched the National Biosecurity Preparedness Grid in 2025. India launched the largest national blockchain archive system in which project on November 27, 2025? Court records. Correct answer is court records. Which Indian organization launched the first indigenous AI large language model LLM for healthcare in 2025? CDEC has launched it. Which one? CDEC has launched it. Which area was declared as sensitive critical infrastructure zone SCIZ by India on 24 to 30 November 2025? Sriharikota Pulicat Lake Belt. Sensitive critical infrastructure zone. Right? Sriharikota Pulicat Lake Belt. According to a recently released report, which sector in India will be the fastest growing renewable job sector in 2025? Which area? Solar manufacturing, green hydrogen, wind turbine O&M, battery recycling. The correct answer is green hydrogen. The fastest growing renewable job sector in 2025. Question number 98. Which Indian university got the status of Global Quantum Research Node? Global Quantum Research Node from 24 to 30 November 2020. Correct answer is IIT Madras. IISc Bangalore. Right? Correct answer IIT Madras. Which state launched the Zero Waste Hill Mission? Which state launched the Zero Waste Hill Mission in 2025? Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. With which country did India sign the Strategic Rare Earth Mineral Supply Pact on 24 to 30 November 2025? Australia is the correct answer. India has signed with Australia regarding strategic rare earth minerals in the which area? Rare earth, strategic rare earth mineral supply pact. So question number 100 we have already completed, and these were the second part of the lecture 8 of weekly current affairs, right, related to November 24 to November 30, 2025. So the next class, in lecture number 9, we will discuss from first week of current affairs, first week of December, right? First week of December current affairs. So these were from my side. Thank you so much for seeing the lecture. Thank you so much.